Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IK Sir Chemistry classes. Here we are in lecture number 8 on IR spectroscopy applied to inorganic chemistry. This video has been prepared in accordance with the syllabus of MSc final year inorganic chemistry students. This video will be also helpful to NET JRF and GATE aspirants. In this video, we will discuss the elucidation of a structure of metal nitrosyls. Now the question arises, what are metal nitrosyls? The complex compounds in which NO molecule or NO plus ion acts as ligand are called metal nitrosyls. Two common examples of metal nitrosyls are given below. The first one is Brown ring complex. It is a well-known complex formed during the ring test for nitrate in the given salt solution. Its composition is FeH2O5NoSO4. Let us calculate the oxidation number of iron in this Brown ring complex. The oxidation number of iron X, oxidation number of 5 H2O molecules, 5 into 0, oxidation number of NO plus ion plus 1, and the oxidation number of sulfate ion minus 2. Overall, sum will be equal to 0 because there is no charge on this species. On solving, we get X equals to plus 1. It means the oxidation number of iron in Brown ring complex is plus 1. Accordingly, its IUPAC name can be written as follows: penta aqua nitrosonium iron 1 sulfate. Another important metal nitrosyl is sodium nitroprusside. It is a common reagent which is used for the detection of sulfur in organic compounds during Lassen's test. Let us calculate the oxidation number of iron in sodium nitroprusside. Oxidation number of 2 sodium atoms plus 2, oxidation number of iron X, oxidation number of 5 Cn minus ions minus 5, and oxidation number of NO plus ion plus 1 equals to 0 because there is no charge on the species. On solving, we get X equals to plus 2. It is obvious that the oxidation number of iron in sodium nitroprusside is plus 2. Accordingly, its IUPAC name can be written as follows: sodium pentacyanitrosonium ferrate 2. The molecular orbital energy level diagram of NO molecule is given below. These are atomic orbitals of nitrogen atom before hybridization and after hybridization. Similarly, these are the atomic orbitals of oxygen atom before hybridization and after hybridization. The electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2s2 2p3, while that of oxygen is 2s2 2p4. The 2s and 2pz atomic orbitals of nitrogen atom take part in hybridization, forming two hybrid orbitals: spz hybrid orbital here containing one unpaired electron and another spz hybrid orbital containing 2 electrons. The 2px and 2py atomic orbitals of nitrogen atom remain unused after hybridization. Similarly, 2s and 2pz atomic orbitals of oxygen atom also take part in hybridization, forming two hybrid orbitals: spz hybrid orbital containing a lone pair of electrons and another spz hybrid orbital containing one unpaired electron. The singly occupied sp-Z hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom takes part in linear combination with singly occupied sp-Z hybrid orbital of oxygen atom, forming two molecular orbitals, sigma sp-Z bonding MO and sigma sp-Z anti-bonding MO. These two atomic orbitals 2px and 2py of oxygen atom remain unused after hybridization. 2px and 2py atomic orbitals of nitrogen atom take part in linear combination with 2px and 2py atomic orbitals of oxygen atom, forming four molecular orbitals, pi 2px and pi 2py bonding and pi 2px star and pi 2py star anti-bonding emojis. There are two electron pairs which remain non-bonding. One is almost localized on oxygen atom while another is localized on nitrogen atom. It is obvious that there is one unpaired electron in NO molecule which is present in anti-bonding MO. Let us calculate the bond order in NO molecule. Nb minus Na divided by 2, number of electrons in bonding MOs, 2 electron here and 4 electron here, overall 6 electrons, and number of electrons in anti-bonding MOs, this one minus 1 divided by 2 equals to 2.5. It is obvious that the bond order in NO molecule is 2.5. Another feature of molecular orbital energy level diagram of NO molecule is that NO molecule contains two electron pairs, one localized mainly on oxygen atom and another localized mainly on nitrogen atom. There is one unpaired electron present in the anti-bonding MO. NO molecule has a bond order of 2.5 and it is paramagnetic. It has one unpaired electron which is present in the anti-bonding MO. NO molecule has a tendency to lose this unpaired electron because it leads to, if the anti-bonding electron is lost from NO molecule, it leads to increase in bond order from 2.5 to 3.0 and increase in stability. This is why NO molecule has a tendency to lose the unpaired electron. The modes of linkages of NO to metal atom in metal nitrosyls are shown below. This is linear mode of linkage, bent mode of linkage and bridging mode of linkage. In the linear mode of linkage, there is sp hybridization on nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom forms two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. One sigma bond here, one sigma bond here and two pi bonds. In this structure also, there is one sigma bond here, one sigma bond here and two pi bonds here. In the linear mode of linkage, there is sp hybridization on nitrogen atom which forms two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. In the bent mode of linkage, there is sp2 hybridization on nitrogen atom which forms two sigma bonds, one sigma bond here and one sigma bond here and one pi bond. This is the pi bond. In this mode of linkage, there is a lone pair of electrons which remains unused on nitrogen atom. This is the lone pair of electron which remains unused, which can be coordinated to another metal atom in the bridging mode of linkage of NO molecule. NO molecule forms in this mode of linkage. Nitrogen atom forms sigma bond with M atom, one sigma bond with oxygen atom, and one pi bond with oxygen atom. And this lone pair of electrons of nitrogen atom present here is utilized in the formation of coordinate bond with another metal atom M dash. Thus, there are three modes of linkages of NO in metal nitrosyls: linear, bent, and bridging. First of all, we will see linear MNO linkage in metal nitrosyls. NO molecule has a tendency to lose the unpaired electron present in the anti-bonding MO, forming NO plus ion, which is isoelectronic with CO. CO molecule contains 14 electrons, 6 plus 8. NO molecule contains 15 electrons, NO molecule 7 plus 8. But NO plus ion has 14 electrons. Thus, CO and NO plus ion are isoelectronic, and a well-known fact can be stated as follows: the isoelectronic species have the same bond order and the same magnetic character. NO molecule containing one unpaired electron in the anti-bonding MO is transferred to metal atom. Single arrow. It is half curly arrow. Half curly arrow is used to indicate the transfer of one electron. As a result, metal atom becomes negatively charged and NO molecule becomes positively charged. NO plus ion, which is isoelectronic with CO, has bond order of 3 like CO, and it contains lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom and oxygen atoms in sp-Z hybrid orbitals. NO plus ion is isoelectronic with CO. It has a bond order of 3 and it contains lone pair of electrons in sp-Z hybrid orbitals on both nitrogen atom and oxygen atom, as we have seen in the MO diagram. This bond order can be calculated as follows: Nb minus Na by 2. Nb, number of electrons in bonding MOs, was 6, but the anti-bonding electron is now removed. Here it is 0, and accordingly the bond order is 3. The NO plus ion can be depicted as follows: NO plus ion having nitrogen oxygen bond order equal to 3 and lone pair of electrons in sp-Z hybrid orbitals on both nitrogen atom and oxygen atom. Both N and O atoms of NO plus ion are potential donor, but NO plus ion is coordinated to metal through its less electronegative nitrogen atom. It is obvious from the above figure that NO plus ion can be coordinated to the metal ion either through nitrogen atom or through oxygen atom. But in most of the cases, in almost all the cases, NO plus ion coordinates to metal atom or ion through its less electronegative nitrogen atom. Therefore, the filled sp hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom, this one, of NO plus ion overlaps with the vacant hybrid orbital of metal, forming NO plus 2 M minus sigma bond. This filled sp-Z hybrid orbital of NO plus ion overlaps with the vacant hybrid orbital of metal forming NO plus 2 M minus sigma bond. This one. And the resulting bond is linear. This is linear linkage. Thus, NO plus ion acts as 3 electron donor ligand in the linear MNO linkage. One electron has already been transferred to metal atom, and then NO plus ion donates 2 electrons. Overall, NO molecule acts as 3 electron donor in the linear MNO linkage. This was the sigma bond. The filled d atomic orbital of the metal atom can overlap with the vacant pi star MO of NO plus ion. In addition to NO plus 2 M minus sigma bond, the filled d atomic orbital of metal atom can overlap with vacant pi star MO of NO plus ion, forming M minus 2 NO plus pi bond. This pi bond weakens NO bond of coordinated NO plus ion. Therefore, the linear MNO linkage in metal nitrosyls can be represented as follows. This is the lone pair of electrons present in d atomic orbital of metal atom, which overlaps with vacant pi star MO of NO plus ion, forming metal to NO plus pi bond. As a result, the NO bond order decreases from 3 to 2. Here becomes double bond, and here one bond is broken and the nitrogen oxygen bond order becomes 2. It is obvious that the formation of pi bond, metal to NO plus pi bond, weakens the nitrogen oxygen bond of coordinated NO plus ion. During the formation of metal to NO plus pi bond, the nitrogen oxygen bond order decreases from 3 to 2. Therefore, in linear MNO linkage, the nitrogen oxygen bond order is overall less than 3. CO, CO whole 3, NO, Fe, CO whole 2, NO whole 2, Mn, CO, NO whole 3, and Cr, NO whole 4. And Brown ring complex, sodium nitroprusside, etc. have linear MNO linkage. These are some metal nitrosyls which have linear MNO linkage, in which NO molecule acts as 3 electron donor. First of all, one anti-bonding electron is transferred to metal atom, and thereafter a coordinate bond is formed from NO plus to metal atom. This is linear linkage. All these species have linear MNO linkage. For example, the sodium nitroprusside has the following structure. This is the structure of sodium nitroprusside, in which there is linear Fe-NO linkage. Another mode of linkage is bent MNO linkage. This is bent linkage. Another group of metal nitrosyls are also known, which have MNO bond angle approximately equal to 120 degree. This bond angle is approximately equal to 120 degree. It is called bent linkage. In such systems, the neutral NO molecule can be regarded as one electron donor ligand. This neutral NO molecule acts as one electron donor ligand. There is sigma bond here between N and M atoms, in which one electron is contributed by both. Let us see an example of metal nitrosyl in which NO molecule acts as one electron donor ligand in bent mode of linkage. This is the example. Iridium atom is bonded to carbonyl group Cl minus ion, two triphenyl phosphine ligands and one NO molecule. This NO molecule is neutral and this bond angle is approximately equal to 124 degree. One lone pair of electrons remains unused on nitrogen atom. In this mode of linkage, NO acts as one electron donor ligand. In this sigma bond, one electron is shared between nitrogen and iridium atoms each. Whether NO group is attached to the metal in linear fashion or in bent manner can be distinguished with the help of IR spectroscopy. Whether NO group in a metal nitrosyl is attached to metal atom in linear mode of linkage or in bent manner can be distinguished with the help of IR spectroscopy. Here there are two modes of linkages of NO: mode of MNO linkage, linear linkage or bent linkage. In linear linkage, we have explained earlier that the nitrogen oxygen bond order is slightly less than 3 due to formation of metal to NO plus pi bond. But in bent linkage, nitrogen oxygen bond order is 2. Therefore, linear MNO linkage exhibits absorption band in the IR spectrum in the region 1650 to 1900 centimeter inverse, while in bent mode of linkage, NO molecule exhibits absorption peak at 1525 to 1690 centimeter inverse. Let us see an example. The brown ring complex exhibits an absorption band at 1745 centimeter inverse, while sodium nitroprusside exhibits an absorption band at 1939 centimeter inverse. These two complexes have linear MNO linkage and they exhibit absorption band in the IR spectrum due to NO stretching at these wave numbers. Now the time for self-assessment. Sodium nitroprusside exhibits an absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 1939 centimeter inverse due to NO stretching, while the brown ring complex does so at 1745 centimeter inverse. This is lower wave number while this is higher wave number, and why it happens we have to explain it. Let us see its explanation. In brown ring complex, the oxidation state of iron is +1 and hence the Fe plus to NO plus pi bonding takes place to a greater extent because its oxidation state is +1. It can easily donate its electron pair to NO plus ion. And we have seen already that the formation of this pi bond weakens nitrogen oxygen bond. Since this pi bonding takes to a greater extent, it weakens the NO bond of coordinated NO plus ion to a greater extent, and when the bond is weakened to a greater extent, the NO stretching frequency is lower, 1745 centimeter inverse. But in sodium nitroprusside, the oxidation state of iron is +2 and hence this pi bonding takes place to a smaller extent because the oxidation number of iron is +2 and it has little tendency to donate its electron pair to NO plus ion. And when pi bonding takes place to a smaller extent, it weakens NO bond of coordinated NO plus ion to a smaller extent, and hence NO stretching frequency is higher, 1939 centimeter inverse. Let us see now bridging MNO-M dash linkage. Like CO molecule, NO can also act as bridging ligand. This is the bridging mode of linkage of NO. The bridging NO acts as one electron donor for M. This ligand acts as one electron donor for M because it is sigma bond in which both M and N atoms share one electron each between them, and two electron donor for M dash. NO, having bent MNO linkage, coordinates its electron pair to this M dash atom, and hence it acts as two electron donor for M dash and one electron donor for M. It exhibits absorption peak at wave number even lower than 1525 centimeter inverse. Thus, three modes of linkages, linear, bent and bridging, can be distinguished with the help of IR spectroscopy. Example of a metal nitrosyl with bridging MNO-M linkage. This is the metal nitrosyl which contains two terminal nitrosyl groups having almost linear linkage and one bridging NO molecule. The above complex compound exhibits an absorption band at 1505 centimeter inverse due to this bridging NO group, and an absorption peak at 1672 centimeter due to almost linear NO groups. These are almost linear NO groups which exhibit absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 1672 centimeter inverse. Let us see another example of metal nitrosyl having bridging NO group, and this one is here. It contains two terminal linear NO groups and one bridging NO group. This metal nitrosyl exhibits an absorption peak at 1499 centimeter inverse due to bridging nitrosyl group, and absorption peaks at 1683 and 1625 centimeter inverse due to linear NO groups. These NO groups exhibit two absorption peaks in the IR spectrum at 1683 and 1625 centimeter inverse. On the other hand, the bridging nitrosyl group exhibits an absorption peak at 1499 centimeter inverse. Thank you for watching the video with patience. Please like and share. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you again.